Hi beautiful people, Sylvia here from Sylvia's Marketing, and I welcome you very warmly to my 15 seconds profit warrior. So guys, as you can see, I have access to the members area and I will be telling you all about this product. But in a nutshell, I just want to tell you it is an awesome training course on how to make YouTube shorts. So those little short YouTube videos which are apparently, and not just apparently, but which are seriously really going viral. This is kind of like the thing these days, and you know, YouTube, there is this like loophole because YouTube is competing with TikTok, you know, so it is something really popular these days and like a big money making machine. And my colleagues from my super affiliate training course called Ministry of Freedom, three of them, Philip, Dan and Ekta, they have teamed up, and especially Philip, he's very crazy accomplished. He's come a long way. He's really achieved and like a top affiliate marketer. So those three guys have teamed up together and put this training course on how to make YouTube shorts. They have put it up together and I will be showing you all about it. It is like packed. This course, there's so much in it. I will tell you every single of these sections. I will open it up for you so you can see what you have inside. So guys, if that's something for you, if you want to make use of this method, and there's a lot of potential, but like realistic potential in this method because you know it's the thing these days. Well, if you want to try it out, then guys, please stick with me as I will be going not only through this product but also giving you some amazing custom-made bonuses from me as a thank you if you pick it up from the link that is below my video, and that link will take you to beautiful bonus page that you are looking at now, right now. And if you just smash one of these yellow buttons that you will see throughout my bonus page, then that's how you buy this product, and then you will be redirected to a platform, not a platform, but the sales page, and then you just, so from my bonus page, that the link you get to the bonus page is below my video, you will be taken to the sales page where you just click get instant access, and that's how you essentially buy it. But anyhow, back to my bonus page. So as you can see here, we have like a little description of what this product 15 seconds profit warrior is all about, and then we have the prices and the upsells. So the front end, as you can see, is going at $12.95, but let me tell you a little secret. Now on the sales page, if you kind of pretend you want to exit the sales page, you will have this pop-up which will give you 30% off. So what's 30% off? Almost $13. So 30% is like just over $4. So you would be getting this for around $9, something like that, if you hurry up. So guys, take advantage of that discount. Alright, and here you have all of the upsells, and I'll come back to the upsells in a second, and then but first I want to show you my amazing bonuses, which by the way will complement 15 seconds profit warrior beautifully. All right, so the first one is access continuum done for you. So basically this is a software that comes with done for you campaigns, which will and also it will allow you to drive traffic to those campaigns, and those campaigns are best sellers. So you know, another way to make money online. And then we have 4 proven insider tips for making great channel content. So YouTube, right? Because you know this product 15 what is it called again? I had to check. 15 seconds profit warrior. I have a short-term memory, obviously. Anyhow, this one, the 15 seconds profit warrior, is obviously about YouTube. So with this bonus that I am giving you away for free, guys, will teach you how to make beautiful YouTube content. So that is, you know, selling well. Now, bonus number 3 is hack on how to get 24K followers in 24 hours. Alright, and followers is traffic, traffic is money, so all good. And then the last of my bonus is 35 plus bonuses to use in your promotions. So let's say you're an affiliate marketer or something, you are promoting some products. Now it is great to create bonus pages, like I have created one that is below my video, and that's how you buy the product from my bonus page. But obviously I am giving you bonuses. I am giving you bonuses, guys, you know, so you want to buy from me. So you're getting some extra value from me, extra value, right? So these bonuses you can also use for your own promotions to encourage your buyers, your viewers, to buy from you. How great is that, right? And the last one will give you access to all vendor bonuses, because the guys behind 15 seconds profit warrior have gone nuts, and they've given you loads of bonuses which will be given to you just if you only pick up the front end. Okay, and we'll check them out. They will be on the sales page. So again, guys, if you want to pick it up, the link to it is below my video, and then smash one of these yellow buttons. Then, as I have already shown you, you'll be redirected to the sales page where you essentially make the product. Then, guys, if once you've bought it, you will receive an email with the receipt that will redirect you to a platform called Warrior Plus. Now, just to make it clear for you, the blue one is my bonuses, and the green one will be 15 seconds profit warrior and the vendors bonuses. Now back to, well, let's check out the sales page. I'm just not gonna spend much time on it, just go through the headlines kind of. So 15 seconds profit warrior, miracle 15 seconds traffic hack revealed. Watch a complete newbie bank, you know, $171 a day using 15 seconds free buyer traffic. Maybe it's gonna take 2 minutes. Free buyer traffic loophole, then duplicate her exact results in mere seconds without spending a dime. No paid ads, no email list, backed by real results. Okay, cool. Yes, they give you the income proofs as well. So this is Philip, you know, this is the top marketer. Watch this video. It's quite lengthy, like around 10 minutes, but it's a great one, you know. He talks about his own journey as well, how he kind of went from zero, and of course I always mean it respectfully, to a hero. He's been through some rough times, and you know, he's learned a lot throughout his journey. And he's like highly achieved. He's a very achieved marketer, and his products always rock. You know, I can really say it with a hand on my heart, and I know him from my own training course, ministry, like high ticket training course, that we are all, like all of these guys are members, including me, are members of the same training course, Ministry of Freedom. So you know, Philip has released many very successful products. And this one is a cool one as well. You will love it, I am pretty sure. Okay guys, so if you smash this one, that's how you buy it, and you get to the sales page via my bonus page below my video. Now please do check it out in your own time, guys. This is actor, you know, so there's one girl and 2 boys teamed up together. Love it. Here's some testimonials from my sweet colleagues, from my super affiliate training course, Ministry of Freedom. Okay, and the income proofs, and at the end we will have the bonuses they give you on top of just the front end, please do check out the bonus page in your own time. Not the bonus, the sales page, but my bonus page as well, in your own time. But yeah, 30 days money back guarantee, awesome. You know, if you decide it's not something for you, you know, you have 30 days money back guarantee, and voila. Okay, so here's the bonuses. So bonus number 1, bonus number 2, 3, 4, 5. Sweet. Okay, you know, please do check it out in your own time. I will not be wasting your time reading out to you something, you know, you can read yourself. I think like showing you actually the product, what's inside the members area, is much more important, because this is something you don't have access to. I do. Okay, so here we have the dashboard. So here are all of the upsells. Okay, so the pro version, done for you package, unlimited traffic, reseller rights, and coaching. And guys, you have the description of all of these, every single of these upsells on my bonus page. Okay, so you know what they're all about, and you can buy them from, like, if you pick up the front end, you can buy them from inside of the members area. So first we have the welcome. So welcome buy. Then let me just show you quickly. Then this is a very sweet guy. You see, this is him. I'm not going to play it, I just wanted to show you his face. Okay, then we have the introduction now. Check this out. Did I tell you it's packed? Did I tell you that? Yeah, so there you have the proof. So first you have the overview, then intro to YouTube Shorts, then about YouTube Shorts, why YouTube Shorts is even present, even present, or ever present. Even present? What did I mean? I guess even present. Then similarities between the regular YouTube and YouTube Shorts, differences between YouTube and YouTube Shorts, YouTube versus TikTok, Insta Reels, examples of channels with YouTube Shorts, benefits of YouTube Shorts, do's and don'ts, and faceless YouTube Shorts. Exactly, you don't even have to show your face, you know, which is absolutely amazing. So if this is something that kind of, you know, puts you off from like using YouTube and making YouTube videos, you don't have to be showing your face. Like I am showing my face. I mean, no, some people just kind of like prefer to stay anonymous, and you know, I totally respect that. You know, like, yeah, if that's your preference, you can do it even without having to show your face, which is brilliant, you know, to have this option. And then we have theories, so what to put in your description, so title tags, hashtags, using music. They give you everything you need to know. And now let's check this one out. Practical is like crazy amount of content. So using mobile screen on desktop, smartphone, inbuilt screen recorders, smartphone, screen recording with an app, how YouTube timeline shows YouTube videos and shorts self on your smartphones, uploading, Canva horizontal. Canva is where you create like loads of things you can create on Canva, like graphics, all of that. It's amazing. Canva horizontal videos change into vertical video. Importance of links, how to get CTA in literally seconds. How does YouTube identify YouTube Shorts? How does YouTube boost YouTube Shorts? My goodness. So much content. What else do we have? How does okay, YouTube Shorts official video, YouTube channel creation, YouTube channel important customization, YouTube important default settings, list building. So even about list building, they'll teach you about how to build your email list, get affiliate links on ClickBank. Wow. Okay, Warrior Plus, done for you. Shortcut, make a full-time income. Well guys, you can see for yourselves, you know, it all speaks for itself. It's a wow, amazing comprehensive training course, and about a method that is going viral these days. So I guess it's a no-brainer, you know. Do try it out. It's gonna create you a passive income. It's always so, you know, wise to have this additional source of income. It's great to have multiple sources of income, and this one can become a very powerful one. That's for sure. That is for sure. Okay, guys, now I'm just going through my bonus pages again. So a reminder that if you pick it up via the link that I have attached down below, you get access to my custom-made bonuses, which will give you more power and more skills and complement 15 seconds Profit Warrior gorgeously. Gorgeously. I was gonna say beautifully, but then I felt like, let me come up with another word. So gorgeously. Oh my goodness, having a jolly good time here. So anyhow, here are the prices. So the front, and again, $12.95, but do remember on the sales page, you know, I've given you a secret to how to get the 30% off, so take advantage of it. So you're getting the front end for now during the launch, and it's going live on the 12th of July for around $9. And here you have all of the upsells that I have already mentioned in the members area, but you have the description of them here right on my bonus page, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this review and you have found this content valuable and helpful, and you know, it has helped you to make a decision whether to buy it or not to buy it, because this is the question. Okay, cool. I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Any questions, ask down below in my comment section, and I shall get back to you as soon as I see your questions. Alright, ciao. Have a beautiful day. Bye.